For the longest time that I can remember, I've been absolutely fascinated with the concept of a gallery wall comprising of just mirrors. And of late, I've been seeing these really beautiful mirrors with rattan frames gracing beautiful homes on Pinterest, Instagram, and just about everywhere. I wanted to try this look at my own home and decided to go about it the DIY way. Hi everyone, I'm Anusha. If you're new to my channel, I talk about home decor, DIY plans, and all those little things that go into nesting a home artfully. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a rather exciting DIY project. This is a wall art DIY comprising of mirrors, and I'm trying to mimic the rattan frame look that is currently extremely popular, but of course without using rattan. To get started on this project, I first needed something that mimics the mirror. Now, I cannot have a mirror itself as it is too heavy and I cannot drill nails into the wall. So the best alternative that presented itself were in the form of wall decal mirrors. To mimic the natural look of rattan frames, I'll be using some simple materials such as wood chips, chopsticks, ice cream sticks, cotton and jute twine, as well as paper plates as a base. So coming to this particular mirror, this is something for which I wanted to try out a free form sort of frame that I spoke about right at the beginning of the video. Now for this I'm using cotton twine because anything else that I have in terms of material is not flexible enough. But the problem with cotton twine is that it's soft, so it's not going to hold its shape when I put it up on the wall. So for that I'm trying out this hack where I use super glue or quick fix, and not only is it going to hold this shape, but I'm trying to give it a certain stiffness. We'll see if it works out, but I'm hoping it does.
I'm feeling you.
This exciting wall art gallery concept with mirrors and frames that mimic the rattan look is now complete and up on the wall. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I had fun making it. I wasn't sure about a couple of these, like the one with the cotton twine, because I wasn't sure if it's going to hold its shape, but I think I've managed to pull it off. If you like this video, do share it with others, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and do press the bell icon to stay notified about all our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.